Hey folks, so this is a video that deals with two things. First of all, we're going to talk about the law of cosines, and then in the next video we'll talk about finding the area when I don't know the base and the height like I did back in a high school geometry class. So let's talk first of all about the law of cosines. There are three formulas for this, but they're all very, very similar to each other. So I'm going to show you what the patterns are on each one of them. On the first one here, we'll start out with an a squared. I'm going to go all the way to the end and show you that at the end, at the beginning I'm using side A, but at the end I'm using angle A. And in the blanks in the middle, I'm only using B's and C's. So the equation then is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times cosine A. Now, all three are exactly like this. All I'm going to do is rearrange the letters. So in the second line, if I start out with b squared, that means that I'm going to be ending with angle b, and that the letters used in the middle are going to be a's and c's. For the third one, if I start out with c squared, I'm going to be ending with angle c, and all of the letters in between are going to be a's and b's. One comment here, notice that over on the side on the yellow sticky, it does say that the law of cosines will be able to find obtuse angles. This is just a reminder, though, that the law of sines cannot find an obtuse angle. And then the second note over here is that you should only ever have to use the law of cosines one time per triangle. Once you've used it once, you should have enough information to be able to go back and use the law of sines, which is actually the easier of the two laws.